Hey guys, welcome back to another day in my life video. Today's video takes place in North Carolina. I just recently went to visit my parents with my husband Bradley. We had a lovely time and today is kind of like a cozy day in my life while we're in North Carolina, so let's get started. First thing we do when we wake up is actually open the blinds. It's our favorite thing because the view from our bed is so incredible. My parents live on a lake, and when you're laying in bed, you just see nothing but water, and I definitely have the best view of the bedrooms upstairs. It's just so amazing, and it's me and Bradley's literal favorite thing. We talk about it all the time. So Bradley opens those, and then it's time to get ready. I did have breakfast and shower and all that. I just didn't get any shots of it, but I did get myself getting ready. So here is a look at all the products I brought / have in North Carolina. I will link my what I packed with me video up in the corner if you want to see all the toiletries and makeup I brought. And I just dump out my makeup bag into this drawer. I hate doing my makeup out of a makeup bag. I'm spoiled that way, so I just dump everything in there. And then, of course, while I'm getting ready, I'm listening to Ariana Grande, because what else? So then I'm going to do my makeup, and if you want to see the makeup I'm wearing, or want to know the makeup I'm wearing, I'll have it all listed down below with links and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just doing my pretty much everyday go-to routine. I will be doing a spring morning routine soon that has this makeup in it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But I'm just putting on all my makeup, getting ready, using all my butter products from Physicians Formula, and then Bradley came in, and then I had to go because he got naked. So then we played the piano for a little bit. I can't do it.
Come on!
I clearly don't know how to play the piano. We were just having fun. But yeah, there's my little snoozing puppy. He's so cute. We actually went out for his 13th birthday. Oh, he's so sweet. I just wanted to show you, it was kind of a gloomy day. But then we head out for lunch and a movie, and we ate at this place called Bricks that I love, and I always get the bruschetta. And Bradley got some sort of shrimp pizza. There he is, looking so cute. And then we went to the movie theaters, and I love this movie theater there because it really gives me like the old 90s vibes. I don't know. I just love it. And we, of course, got some popcorn. Also, my parents are with us, but I didn't get any footage of them. It was just me and Bradley. But then we went home and dyed Easter eggs. This video was actually filmed the day before Easter, and my parents were trying to give me a nostalgic Easter, which was great. They gave me an Easter egg hunt and an Easter basket, and we dyed eggs. And there's my little Red. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's stiffing the camera. He's so cute. But anyway, we were dyeing Easter eggs, so I thought it would be fun to show you. We just did a bunch of random colors. Bradley did like a Pokemon egg, which I'm so sorry, but I don't know which Pokemon he did. But yeah, I've always loved dyeing Easter eggs and painting pumpkins and, you know, all the holiday things. So I was excited to do this, and it was fun. Doesn't smell the best, the Easter egg dye, but yeah, so we are dyeing eggs. Here is a finished look at all of our eggs. A lot of randomness going on, lots of fun colors, but yeah, that's just what our Easter eggs looked like. And then by the time we were done with that, it was dinner time, and my dad actually made steak and pineapple fried rice on the hibachi grill, and it was so freaking good. Goals in life is to have one of these in my house one day. We make a lot of stuff on this: pancakes, fried rice, as you're seeing. Those are the only two things I can think of right now. Oh, and I left in this entire egg shot because I thought it was so satisfying. But yeah, he's adding egg to the fried rice, and this is like a staple for my mom and dad, and they were excited to make it for me, and it was 10 out of 10. So I didn't actually get any footage of us actually eating the dinner, but we did, and it was delicious. You'll just have to trust me. And then there was a rainbow outside. Can you see it? Oh, it was so glorious. It was gloomy, but still beautiful. And then we made our way out down to the beach for a beach fire, which was incredible. My dad takes pride in building these fires. He looks forward to it all day. He actually builds it in the morning and then is like, he can't wait to go out and sit by it. So yeah, I got this really satisfying shot of the fire catching on all sides, so I was pretty proud of that. But it's just so nice to sit out there and chat with my parents and just look out at the lake and the sunset, and the weather was perfect, and it was just a really nice evening. And we did this pretty much every night we were there. It's just so gorgeous there. I can never get over it. But I love a fire. I always have. I love to sit in front of them. I love to look at them, which is actually kind of odd because I have a lot of anxiety about fire. But when they're controlled, I love them. But yeah, just enjoy this gorgeous view because I certainly did. Then once I was done with the fire and smelled like a hot dog, I made my way inside to take a bath in my mom's bathtub. She has the greatest bathtub of all time. She left out her Crabtree and Evelyn rosewater bath gel for me to make bubbles, and oh, you guys, it's just the best. I took like 5 baths in this thing while I was there. I took too many baths, but look at that. It's just the best bathtub ever. It's so deep and so large, and it just, it's the best, as you can probably see. So yeah, I filled that up way too much with bubbles, and then my mom was so sweet, and she ordered a box of the new Lush bath bombs. They just released 30 new ones. If you guys want to see a video on some of the ones I picked up, let me know. But she did buy me this one. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I'll have it linked down below. I loved it. It was really kind of bright smelling, very citrusy. But also floral because there's a flower on it. And there I am in the bath trying not to show you my boobs. But then after I got out of the bath and got ready for bed, I made my way downstairs where we play poker every night. And it is so much fun. We don't play with real money. Here I was trying to go for a straight and I failed, but I got a pair of 10s. But it's just so fun and it gets very competitive. Us Thompsons are very competitive people.
Did I win?
Honey, you lost all your chips.
Your family took advantage of me.
Yeah, they did.
Hey, I was really afraid that I was going to lose my money.
My father was kicking all of our asses on this particular night. See, here we go again with a huge hand, and he beat Bradley again. So he got all the money. But this is just a nice, fun way to wind down at the end of the evening. This is usually how we end our evenings every night. Then my parents go to bed, and me and Bradley go watch some TV up on the couch upstairs again by the fire. I'm really into fires, apparently. But yeah, guys, that is it for my North Carolina day in my life. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very calm, and we were on vacation, so I just wanted to share because it was different. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.